Good afternoon, sir. My name is Johnny Desmond Juntak. I want a presentation about lexicogrammar. The kind of linguistic. 1. Phonology. Phonology according to language which comes for the words from sound and logy science. According to them, phonology is a part linguistic that studies the sound of language in general. The example phonology are pattern words that distinguish pet, bat, P and B, rope, hope, R and H, ball, tall, B and T, net, set, N and S, sand, band, S and B. 2. Morphology. Morphology according to language comes from the words morph, stem forming, and yoga science. Morphology is a part of linguistics that studies the ins and outs of word form, change in word form, and change in word form to the meaning and group of words. Morphological example: cat, and s, singing, goodness, unhappily, active, activity, inactive. 3. Syntax. What is syntax? In linguistics, the word syntax comes from Greek, which is a combination of the word syn, which means together, and the word taxis, which means sequence. So, syntax is one of the branches of linguistics that studies the rules that determine of how words form phrases and form sentences. Sentences. Determiner, the noun father, verb saw, determiner his, noun son, instantly at verb, preposition at, determiner the, noun market. Semantic. Semantic comes from the Greek word semantikos, which means to give a sign to be important. Semantics is a branch of linguistics that studies the meaning contained in a language. Semantic example: the verb move can mean change place, push, pull, or carry, or stir emotion. Pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of the condition of human language use are determined by the context of society. Example pragmatics: 1. Will you crack open the door? I'm getting hot. Pragmatik Indonesia. Pragmatik adalah studi mengenai kondisi-kondisi penggunaan bahasa manusia yang ditentukan oleh konteks masyarakat. 2. Different syntax and morphology. The difference between syntax and morphology is that syntax deals with the structure of sentences and morphology deals with the structure of words. The additional meaning is the meaning that arises as a result of the use of conceptual words, words that can be searched for concepts or ideas contained in units of word, both basic and derived forms. Interpersonal meaning is a meaning about interaction which express speaker's attitude and judgment. Textual meaning. Textual meaning is a meaning about the message which relates to the environment and explains the cohesion and coherence of a text. Ideational meaning, idea. Example interpersonal meaning. Interpersonal meaning in Jokowi's speech as case study a summit APEC. In Jokowi's speech, the researchers found 94 that the data is 94 is subdivided into declarative 78, interrogative 1, and for imperative is 15. Jokowi mostly used declarative because Jokowi wants to share information to the audience by delivering his speech. The information which is shared is mostly about investment. 4. The meaning clause, complex group, phrase, words, and morphemes. A clause is a collection of words that includes a subject and verb. Phrase is a small group of words standing together as a conceptual. 3. Clause. 4. Word is a unit of language that has meaning. Morpheme is the smallest grammatical unit that has meaning. Example clause: he sings, Anissa will go, I pray, she kicks, she helps, he guides, we drive, I ride, she reads, I swim. Example praise: beautiful city, big bike, fun of the world, very well, absolutely fine, work hard, dancing queen, playing guitar, collecting stamps, to call him, to fix your bike. Example words: beautiful, big, small, thin, sing, cook, love, head, people, animal, fruit. Example morphemes: but, at, the, see, on, beside, and, while, and, because, yet. Thank you, sir. That is my presentation about lexical grammar. Hope you enjoy it, sir.